guys, in this video we are going to learn how to give ad account access to someone. Like if you want to give ad account access of Facebook to someone, what you need to do. As you can see, I am on my Facebook account, right? First of all, you need to switch to the Facebook page. I have switched to it by clicking the top right corner icon, right? Now you need to visit Ads Manager. So as you can see, I am on my Facebook home page. In the left side, Ads Manager option is there. I will simply click on it. Okay, we are into the Ads Manager. Now you simply need to click on Settings, right? In all tools, you will get the Settings option. Else, you can simply click over here on the Settings icon. Ad account settings. Okay, I am into my ad account settings. From here, you can add anybody to your ad account. You just need to scroll, and here is an option of add people. You need to click on it, and you can simply add the name of person who is your already friend on the Facebook. One thing that you need to consider before doing this is to add that person in your Facebook friend list. It is mandatory to give an access, right? We are giving ad account access to this person, and whenever we will click on confirm, ad account request will be sent to that person. He or she just need to accept it by checking out their email, and he will become the member of this ad account. So if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, you can simply click on the link given in video description. That is our website's link. You can simply click on it and you can visit our website. You can explore our course and you can purchase directly from there.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.